guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, unboxing all I get in Christmas present. Ayan. Ay, dito. Dalawa nabigay. And from my mom. First, I'm going to open this from my tita Ivy. It's closed. And it, ooh. So, babalikan ko yung pag nabalik ko na ito sa lagayan. Yun, nabalik ko na. Second, from my Ate Yana. Na-open ko na siya. From my Ate Yana. It's open. Actually, nagamit ko na siya. Pero pinakita ko pala. Kinetic side. You have purple. Green. At actually, nalipat ko na siya sa lagayan. No? Look at that. My nails. And one more. That's just it. I want to do. Guys, hanapin niyo yung part 2 nito. Ibabalik ko na. Babalikan ko yung pag nabalik ko na. Yun guys, nabalik ko na. Just close it. Second, from my Ate Laika. This cute bag. So let's open. It's literally clear and you can see ano naman niya. And this is really cute. So let's open it. Meron tayong stationery. We have some colors. Ano to guys? Ilang colors to? 12 pieces ng colors. And don't forget the sharpener. And we have tape. So, papakita ko sa inyo to. Let's open. Meron tayong small sticky note. We have some notebook. Ayan. This is really cute. And we have a small pen. Look at that. That's really cute. Ano siya guys? Pink pen. Pwede ko siya magamit to like kunyari sa school tayo. Look at that. And the last one is wait, I cannot take it. Okay, so now sticker. I can put it and I can make my own pickle and put anything I want. And ito yung pinakalagay niya. Ang cute niya. Ulikan ko yung pag natapos ko na to. So yun guys, zip ko na lang. So done. Wala lang. Ito. Regalo sa akin ng mama. Sira siya dyan. It broke. It's okay. It's okay. It's fun. Ito yung nakuha kong color. That one and this one. Pink siya. Ito yung nakuha natin. This one. I like this because for yung LSC. It's open. Pink siya. So, di ko napapakita. Ang dami pa ako. Ayun na guys. Ayun lang. So, mag-video pa ako. Napakita ko sa inyo kung anong dadaling ko sa school. Ay, wag na. Alam naman na yun. Nag-ano na ako. Ayun. Bye! See you in my next vlog. Ay, no. Ganda na nails ko. Inayos lang to sa akin at sana. It's not literally long. Little. Bye!